Hello, beautiful. Today I'm going to teach you how to have this faux tan makeup look without the dangers of the UV rays from the sun. And we're going to be featuring the In the Buff palette and the Nutmeg 2-in-1 cream crayon and a few of their friends. And this is so that you can stay safe in the sun because skin cancer is a thing. Listen, I got it. And if I can get it as careful as I am, anyone can. So we're not going to do that. We're not going to do tanning beds, and we're not going to bask in the sun. We're going to protect our skin when we are in the sun, and we're still going to have a gorgeous tan look if we want it. Lisa D. Liguori with Simple Beauty Minerals, clean, effective, natural beauty, a smaller, more personal beauty brand. Let's go. Let's begin with Nutmeg. Nutmeg is going to be featured, a key feature in this faux tan look. Lips, I'm going to go right to cheeks, just coloring some on my cheeks. A nice tip here is to apply a little bit of our organic lip balm on the cheeks before you apply the 2-in-1 cream crayon, and it goes on beautifully, and you're giving a little extra hydration to your cheeks. There we go. Okay, so this is going to be the key to our faux tan look. There's a start. Now, alternatively, we can use a different color on the cheek, and I'm going to show you that right now. From our In the Buff palette, I'm choosing Life of the Party. I have some on my Perfect Blush Brush, and this is another option for your faux tan look to use as cheek color. You can also use it as bronzer, wherever the sun would kiss you. Another option for bronzer for this faux tan look is Natural Glow. And again, wherever the sun would kiss you, I like to go in this arc here above the brow and above the cheekbone, and then along the jawline, and down the nose, the bridge of the nose, up here, right above the brow especially, even a little bit into the eyebrow and the chin. This is where we get our glow from. I could even take Life of the Party and just a little bit in the pout. Let's do our eyes. I'm going to take Charmer, which is this sunny marigold color here on the bottom, and I'm going to use that as my transition color in the crease. No need for precision here. We're just wiping it back and forth in the larger crease area. We're also going to use it on the lid for a pop of brightness. I'm feeling quite glowy. I am now going to take Life of the Party onto my crease brush, and I'm going to go into the crease. Now I am going for a little bit more precision. I'm going to dab and dot and press into the crease. I'm also going to bring it up higher onto the bone, the brow bone there. And I'm going to go a little bit into that V. There we go, right at the corner. Imaginary V. Always going up. We want everything to lift. And a little more definition. So I'm going with Soft Touch from the In the Buff palette with the small crease brush and smudge. It's called the Crease and Smudge brush, and really work it into that crease and a little into that corner too, lifting up, and that gives us a little bit more definition, but still going for that faux tan without the sun. This is called Safe Sun. Remember Charmer, this bright, cheery, sunny marigold color? I'm going to go back to that and press that onto my lid. or some brightness. This is even where you could dampen your brush to really get the color. Let's try that. Let's bring it on home with Whisper, the very lightest color. We are going to place that under the brow to open up the eye and finish off the look. You can also work it into this inner corner here, where we all tend to get a little bit dark. And don't forget the blending step. I have a designated brush that I've marked just for the purpose of blending. This is the fluffy brush. Not done yet. Let's get a little black coffee liner under the eyes for depth and definition. Right close to the lash, I'm not going to draw a line. I'm going to dot and dab. And at the same base on the upper lashes, right at the base of the lashes. And from there we'll blend. Feel free to use either the crease and smudge brush or the eyeshadow brush on the edge and work up. If you like, if you want a little bit more depth on around your eyes and emphasis for your eyes, take a little soft touch from the palette. It's right there on a fine angled brush and just go over the liner, smudging it a bit, softening it, and just giving it more depth. Let's brighten up with some Bright Eyes Pink. This is a concealer, a corrector, and a brightener highlighter without any shimmer. So I'm going to go under my eyes. It's even a really pretty soft cheek color and a really pretty soft eye color, even a really nice eyeshadow base. Very multitasking. Now we can take this, I'm using the mini fluff brush, and we can go right on top of our cheekbones if we wanted to, just for a little additional brightness, and above the brow. And what we didn't play with was Optimist in the palette. I'm going to take a little Optimist on my fingers. I removed Life of the Party. Remember, I dabbed Life of the Party just in the pout. I removed that, and I'm going to try Optimist. I love that. Smoothing it out. You can also use it as an eye color in place of Charmer, perhaps, or just a pop on the lid for brightness, even as a bronzer or a faux tan highlighter on its own. Super fun. If you're new here, be sure to add your name to our customer care list here at simplebeautyminerals.com. You're going to get a 20% off gift code for your first order, and you'll just get all the good stuff along with it.